Hello and welcome to Easy Spanish for Real Life. Today we're going to learn 50 essential Spanish words that will transform your ability to communicate. These are fundamental words you'll use every single day. This lesson is perfect for complete beginners. I'll teach each word 3 times, first in English, then in Spanish, and finally the pronunciation guide, so you can say it perfectly. Let's begin. Number 1. Color, colore. Number 2. White, blanco. Number 3. Black, negro. Number 4. Red, rojo. Number 5. Blue, azul. Number 6. Green, verde. Number 7. Yellow, amarillo. Number 8. Orange, naranja. Number 9. Purple, morado. Number 10. Pink, rosa. Number 11. Gray, gris. Number 12. Brown, marron. Number 13. Dog, perro. Number 14. Cat, gato. Number 15. Bird, pájaro. Number 16. Fish, puis, pes. Number 17. Horse, caballo. Number 18. Cow, vaca. Number 19. Pig, cerdo. Number 20. Chicken, pollo. Number 21. Sheep, oveja. Number 22. Rabbit, conejo. Number 23. Lion, leon. Number 24. Elephant, elephant. Elefantai. Excellent progress. You're learning so well. Now, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps me reach more Spanish learners. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment telling me which word is your favorite so far. Let's continue. Number 25. Head, cabeza. Number 26. Eye, ojo. Number 27. Ear, oreja. Number 28. Nose, nariz, nariz. Number 29, mouth, boca, boca. Number 30, tooth, diente, diente. Number 31, tongue, lengua, lengua. Number 32, neck, cuello, cuello. Number 33, shoulder, hombro, hombro. Number 34, arm, brazo, brazo. Number 35, hand, mano, mano. Number 36, finger, dedo, dedo. Number 37, leg, pierna, pierna. Number 38, knee, rodilla, rodilla. Number 39, foot, pie, p. Number 40, heart, corazón, corazón. Number 41, blood, sangre, sangre. Number 42, bone, hueso, hueso. Number 43, skin, peel, pl. Number 44, hair, pelo, pelo. Number 45, face, cara, cara. Number 46, smile, sonrisa, sonrisa. Number 47, voice, voz, voz. Number 48, body, cuerpo, cuerpo. Number 49, back, espalda, espalda. Number 50, stomach, estómago, estómago. Amazing. You just learned 50 essential Spanish words. Let's review a few key ones. Color is color. White is blanco. Dog is perro. Cat is gato. Head is cabeza. Eye is ojo. Hand is mano. Heart is corazón. Face is cara. Body is cuerpo. You should be so proud of yourself. Learning 50 words in one lesson is incredible. These words will help you in countless real-life situations. Whether you're describing colors, talking about animals, or explaining body parts, you now have the vocabulary to communicate. Here's what I want you to do next. Don't just watch this video once and forget it. Practice is essential. Choose 10 words from this list. Write them down. Say them out loud 5 times each. This will help them stick in your memory. Also, try to use these words this week. When you see a color, name it in Spanish. When you see an animal, say its Spanish name. Point to body parts and say them in Spanish. Connect the Spanish words to your daily life. This is how you'll remember them forever. Now, before you go, I need 3 things from you. First, if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. That simple action helps YouTube show this video to more people learning Spanish. Second, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. I create beginner-friendly Spanish lessons every single week. Vocabulary, phrases, pronunciation, everything you need to become fluent. Third, leave a comment right now. Tell me which word you found most useful, or tell me what topic you want me to cover next. Food vocabulary, weather words, clothing, numbers. Your feedback helps me create better content for you. Remember, learning Spanish is a journey. Every word you learn brings you closer to fluency. You're making real progress. Be proud of yourself. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You can do this. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. Keep using these 50 words in your daily life. Practice them, share them, and watch your Spanish improve dramatically. Hasta la próxima. Until next time, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Adios.